Yes. Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Letago. For those who don't know, if you're looking for perfectionism, you're at the wrong place. But if you're looking for authenticity, baby, welcome to my YouTube channel. So here's what's going to happen. Right? Limpopo, my Kabo Malume Mamaka. So the last time I went to Maradi celebration, remember? The vlog is here, as there. I posted it. My mom literally had me because she was like, we let the family in Jarago, but she didn't disclose what the family Jarago. Problem. So she made me write in the description or how I was related to those people. So this time, because I grew up with these people, right? So my grandmother and the granddad of the father of the groom siblings, so it means my grandfather and the mom of the bride cousins. So I just wanted to put that out there before my mom shouts at me again. So we're gonna travel to Limpopo. We're gonna go to this beautiful wedding that I'm super excited for. I've been looking forward to it so much. So yeah, guys, I hope you love this vlog and you subscribe. It's absolutely for free. My mom was asking me the other day, or do people know that subscribing is for free 99? And I was like, I am pretty sure they do, but if they don't, I will let them know. Please subscribe. It's free 99, okay? And please don't skip the ads. Maybe if you can watch like just 3-4 ads, and then the rest you can skip, so that I can also get my coins. You know what I mean? It's a thing. You get something, I also get something type of vibe, you know? So I would highly appreciate if you guys can watch the ads and subscribe. It would mean a lot for me, and it also helps with recognition and YouTube pushing my channel and promoting my channel, etc. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you love the vlog, you enjoy it, and yeah, enjoy. Bye. Love you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my vlog. My name is Letao. For those who don't know, I am a content creator and a wedding content creator. And if you're looking for perfectionism, you're at the wrong place. But if you're looking for authenticity, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Friday. The time right now is till 5. I am on my way to the wedding. Yeah, I'm not feeling well. I still have flu symptoms, but I'm trying to combat them. So I'm trying my best. I don't have energy. I feel weak and dizzy. So, and these trees aren't helping as well. Get my dad. But come along with me. Dumela. So I'm just walking there. It's a walking distance. I'm in Limpopo. Limpopo. Limps. So yeah, fun times.
Karala mathomo ke a moruti le kereke ba tla ba re bulela modiro ba ba tswela pele ka the ceremony e re leng ka gare ga yona. Ke tlo ba the director for the second part. Ganjele ke tlo handa over ho director ya rena ya kereke kgetho le baruti ba tla ba re bulela ba ba tswela pele ka the ceremony e re leng ka gare ga yona. Njalo go senya nako a se ke ka tle ke gopela le kosha ke hand over ke leboga.
Siyashadisa namhlanje. Hey, na, 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 na. Where can I put this? Guys, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Letago. For those who don't know, if you're looking for perfectionism, you're at the wrong place. But if you're looking for authenticity, baby, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday. Yesterday it was the of Masadi, but I was not feeling well, so I couldn't spend the entire day there. So today I'm in good spirits, good moods. I'm feeling so much better. So let's go to the wedding. We're going to celebrate Arre! Ma. Sabiro. Buka.
Ano kuria kalwa murar? Kuria kalwa. Ay sa ilo mo. Orwanya lang mo kin nindira. Tamaga mo na eh. Eh. Tamaga mo konso har. Nikir gamele. Anti pasa para sutuna.
Awa.
Malatu. Au batiri tindi alada yelele olo lo 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 kesiti au batiri tindi alada yelele olo lo 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 yori au batiri tindi alada yelele olo lo 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 kesiti au batiri tindi alada yelele olo lo 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 lo
Hey, yes. 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 Amen. Amen.
Ake. Ake.
fella ka ngwakwaneng.
The wedding was so fantastic. You would have seen in the vlog that I didn't get to wear the dress that I picked is because so I was essentially busy and helping out and everything. I was like being matasata sanji. I was busy, I was hands-on. So I didn't see the need for me to dress up. But on the next wedding, yeah, so the wedding was so immaculate. The vibes, guys, we danced so freaking much. Like, it was absolutely immaculate, spectacular, like too good. Chef's kiss. Guys, the food, the meat, if which is sad that I'm not, but guys, like the last time I saw such amounts of meat was when I went to the Eastern Cape wedding. Guys, fish was there, meat, beef, pork, chicken, what am I missing? Goat, like all sorts of meat, guys, like begu. We had so much fun, guys. The wedding was immaculate. The vibes were spectacular. The drinks were flowing. Yeah, it was such a nice wedding. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Don't skip the ads because that's how I make the shmune. The money, baby. Okay, I'll see you in my next vlog because I'm going to another wedding and I'm so excited because I look at high this time around, so it means I get to be a guest and I get to enjoy and relish the moment. You know what I mean? So win-win buffers. So bye, guys. I love you so much. Thank you guys for your support. It means so much. There's this lady that I want to shout out. Hold on. Support girl, I see you. In every video you're commenting. YouTube even tells me what this person is your top commenter. Like, I appreciate you so much. You make it easy for me to keep on going. Like, one motivator when I feel like this YouTube thing is not working, but you always commenting and I'm like, I will do it. Like, I will get up and I will take that video, I will shoot content because there are people like you. So I just wanted to shout you out, girl. Thank you so much. For support. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. But yeah, guys, that's all from me. I will see you guys in my next vlog. It's going to be another wedding vlog in Limpopo. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one as well, and I hope you enjoyed this one as well. Okay, period. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye, toodles.